Hi everyone, I'm Rima. What's up? What's up? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna cook today chicken broccoli with potato. Before finish my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinoy sa UAE. Just stay tuned. I come back. I put melt butter, and the last, not the least, salt for taste. Mix it very well until we're gonna put the chicken. Sorry guys, almost forgot the garlic. I'm gonna mix it. Garlic. Hi guys, after mixing the all ingredient, this is will be a thick ingredient, and now I'm gonna mix the 1 kilo drumstick, because we love drumstick only. They don't eat any kinds of from the chicken, so we use a drumstick. Stay tuned. I'm gonna mix it all here inside and leave it for 30 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. In my pan, I have a potato. I put some salt and pepper with olive oil here. So I'm gonna add that chicken here and we'll get ready to oven. Gonna add this. Okay, here we are. Here's the chicken. So I'm gonna put it in the oven around 30 minutes and we'll be right back. And we'll add the broccoli. Hi, after a long cook, here is my chicken. Sweet chicken garlic potato with broccoli.